Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Hub.
Hello, my name is Sheba. I love to think positively every day. I believe that good thoughts bring a good life. When I wake up in the morning, I smile. Smiling gives me energy and hope. I tell myself, today will be a good day. Positive words make me feel strong. I try to see good things in every moment. This habit helps me to stay happy. Happiness begins inside my mind. I also know the power of good friends. Friends who think positively make life better. They always support me in hard times. They remind me to stay hopeful and strong. When I am sad, they encourage me. When I am happy, they celebrate with me. Good friends bring health and happiness. They make life full of joy and peace. That is why I love my friends. Together, we make each other better. One of my closest friends is Angela. Angela is a great runner. She competed in the Olympic Games. She won a gold medal in running. Her success makes me so proud. Angela always thinks positively. She believes that hard work brings results. She tells me, never give up. Her words give me strength. She is my true inspiration. Angela's positive thinking is amazing. Even when she fails, she smiles. She says, failure is a lesson. She always learns and grows stronger. Her attitude is full of hope. I learn patience from her. I learn courage from her. Her positive words stay in my heart. She makes me believe in myself. That is why she is special. Another friend of mine is Julie. Julie is a doctor. She helps sick people every day. She works with kindness and care. Her job is not easy, but she never complains about it. She says, helping others is my joy. Her words inspire me deeply. She shows me the beauty of kindness. She teaches me to give love freely. Julie is always calm and patient. She talks softly to her patients. She gives them hope in hard times. She believes health begins in the mind. Her positive words heal the heart. She is not only a doctor, she is a true friend to many. She reminds me to stay kind. Her smile gives me peace. Her friendship is a gift. I also have a friend named Maria. Maria loves riding bicycles. She is a champion in cycling. She won first place in a big race. Her success was amazing to see. Maria works hard every day. She trains with discipline and focus. She never stops practicing her skills. She says, discipline brings victory. Her words make me motivated. Maria is strong and determined. She never gives up on her goals. Even when she feels tired, she continues. She believes that effort is never wasted. Her positive thinking shines in her eyes. She encourages me to be active. She tells me to take care of health. She makes me believe in daily practice. Her life is an example of success. I feel proud to be her friend. Another inspiring friend is Rowena. Rowena is a fitness trainer. She works hard on her body. She is strong and confident. She loves bodybuilding and competitions. She has made great progress. Her muscles show her dedication. She is healthy inside and out. She says, strong body, strong mind. Her words inspire me every day. Rowena's journey was not easy. At first, she was weak and shy, but she never stopped training. She worked step by step. Now she is confident and brave. She teaches me to stay consistent. She tells me to trust the process. Her positive thinking brings power. She is a light of strength for me. Her story is full of motivation. Another amazing friend is Sarah. Sarah is a computer engineer. She works with technology every day. She is very smart and creative. Her job is sometimes very difficult, but she never stops learning new things. She says, "Knowledge is power." Her love for learning inspires me. She is always curious and motivated. Her energy gives me hope. Sarah never gives up on problems. She solves difficult tasks with patience. She believes every problem has a solution. She tells me to keep trying. Her words remind me to be strong. She works hard for her dreams. She is full of determination and focus. She encourages me to study daily. Her positive energy makes me happy. Her friendship is a blessing. All my friends have different talents. One is an athlete, one is a doctor, one is a cyclist, one is a trainer, one is an engineer, one is a dreamer. But all of them think positively. They never stop encouraging me. They remind me to be hopeful. They teach me to keep moving forward. Their words stay in my heart. Their friendship gives me strength. Positive friends change our lives. They make us see the bright side. They give us energy to move forward. They protect us from negative thoughts. They help us stay healthy inside. They make our days more joyful. They are like sunshine in our life. With them, life is more beautiful. With them, happiness feels easy. That is the power of friendship. Sometimes life is difficult. Sometimes problems make us weak. But good friends help us stand again. They hold our hands with kindness. They remind us that we are strong. Their positive words heal our hearts. They give us courage to continue. They make us feel safe and loved. They make challenges easier to face. This is true friendship. I believe that friends are medicine. They heal sadness with laughter. They heal fear with hope. They heal stress with encouragement. They are better than gold. Because gold cannot give love, but friends give love every day. They are blessings in our life. They make life rich with happiness. That is why I value them. Every friend has taught me something. Angela taught me courage in running. Julie taught me kindness as a doctor. Maria taught me discipline in cycling. Rowena taught me strength in fitness. Sarah taught me focus in technology. Each of them inspires me daily. Each of them makes me better. Each of them is part of my story. Together, they make my life beautiful. If you want a happy life, surround yourself with positive friends. Choose people who lift you up. Choose friends who believe in you. Stay away from negative people. They only bring stress and sadness. Healthy friends bring healthy thoughts. Healthy thoughts bring a healthy life. That is the secret to true happiness. The secret is good friends. I am thankful for my friends. They are my source of happiness. They are my strength in hard times. They are my joy in good times. Without them, life would be empty. With them, life is colorful. They are my true treasure. I will always value them because healthy friends mean healthy life. That is my belief forever. Now I ask you a question. Do you have healthy, positive friends? Do they inspire you every day? Do they make your life brighter? If yes, thank them with love. If not, find friends who care. Build a circle of positivity. Stay close to people with kind hearts. That is the secret to a happy life. Healthy friends, healthy life.